to lead the ceremony and welcome the dynamic and esteemed delegates.
I request Dr. Venkat sir, present President of Guntur Society, to come on to the dais. I request Dr. Chandrasekhar sir to come on to the dais. Dr. Uma Shankar sir, Dr. Rajakumari madam, Dr. Hanumant Rao sir, Dr. Aruna madam, Dr. Prabha Devi madam, Dr. Tripura Sundari madam, Dr. Jhansi Vani madam, Dr. Sujata madam, Dr. Urmila madam, Dr. Meera Raghavan ma'am. Dr. Leela madam, please come on to the dais. And I request Dr. N. Murli Krishna sir, our APMC observer, to come on to the dais. Please ma'am, please ma'am, please ma'am.
A big round of applause to all the stalwarts of obstetricians and gynecology. Shubham Kurutvam Kalyanam Arogyam Dhanasampadam Shatrubuddhi Vinashaya Deepam Jyoti Namostute. Let us invoke the blessings of God Almighty by lighting the lamp. I request all the dignitaries on the dais to do the honors. Music, please. I request the Birth and Beyond team to be there. Dr. Saupna, Dr. Deepthi, Dr. Sneha. Let us bow to the light of the lamp, a symbol of auspiciousness, health, and prosperity.
Ma'am, Dr. Janardini, ma'am, please come on to the stage. Please, ma'am. Please.
As we light the lamp, we illuminate the path of knowledge, compassion, and care, nurture, birth, and beyond that symbolizes our CME. Thank you, all the dignitaries on the dais. May I now request Dr. Mamta ma'am to share the journey of the CME from the Birth and Beyond team.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'll make it very, very short because I'm sure we're already getting late. So first of all, thank you all so much for being here, right from the speakers and chairpersons, consultants, and all the students who have come here, believing that we will be able to give some knowledge to all of them. As per today's norm, there is a continuous learning process where we all have learning, unlearning, and relearning. That's what is making us survive. And I think AI, again, is going to bring a lot of change, but I'm sure it's going to be positive in favor of the doctors who want to do better things for the world. And today's trial is just the exchange of knowledge between all of us. And I'm sure as doctors, we are poised to do greater things for patients, for community, and for the world at large. Thank you all so much for being here, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. May I now request Dr. Venkat sir to address the gathering. We're honored to have you, sir, amidst us on this occasion. Your vision, experience has inspired so many. Over to you, sir.
Good morning to everybody. So on behalf of the Guntur Obstetrician Care Society, I congratulate the Aster Ramesh Hospital for conducting a very extravaganza of CME today, nurture and beyond. So it has included from IVF, conception to surgeries, and also the latest methods, robotic surgeries, and everything you have covered. So I congratulate the management, Dr. Raipati Mamata Garu, and especially Dr. Anuradha and his team for fantastic conduction of this CME. A big applause to all the team members. So congratulations for all the speakers. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Dr. Chandrasekhar sir to share his thoughts.
I congratulate the Aster Group of Ramesh team because they have well organized this team and highly knowledgeable. I am a consultant and I retired 4 years back, even though I learned recent points regarding management of some recent trends. Thank you with the Ramesh Group. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Dr. N. Murali sir, APMC Observer, to share his thoughts of the gathering.
Good morning, and I welcome you all for this Nurture 2025 conducted by Aster Ramesh on behalf of Andhra Pradesh Medical Council, and I congratulate all the speakers as well as thanks to Aster Ramesh Group Hospitals for conducting regular CMEs. More than that, almost learned people, many senior most obstetricians are there. Please give some space to the youngsters, and I request the President, B. Venkateswara Garu, to give opportunity to the youngsters so that they will not be disappointed during their learning period. Learning is unlimited and it is worth. We encourage our youngsters, if we give some space to work as well as to impart our knowledge to them and to prove during their career. I hope all the dignitaries on the dais as well as off the dais may show some empathy and sympathy towards patient as well as to juniors. With this, this allopathy will cherish like anything. Once again, I congratulate Managing Director Mamata Garu as well as all the speakers, and thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. A mark of respect and gratitude towards senior invited delegates, we, the family of Aster Ramesh Hospitals, take this opportunity to felicitate the stalwarts in the field of obstetrics and gynecology. To do the honors, I request the team of Aster Ramesh OBG department and senior management to be around. It gives me immense pleasure now to request Dr. Venkat sir to kindly step forward to receive the felicitation. To do the honors, I request Dr. Anuradha ma'am and Dr. Mamta Raipati ma'am. Music, please. Thank you, everyone. May I now request Dr. Chandrasekhar sir to please step forward to receive the honors. To do the honors, I request Dr. Deepa and Dr. Mamta ma'am. Thank you. May I now request Dr. Uma Sekhar sir. May I now request Dr. Aruna to please step forward to receive the felicitation. Okay. May I now request Dr. Prabhadevi ma'am to do the honors? To please step forward to receive the felicitation. And I request Dr. Vasanta to do the honors. Thank you. It gives me pleasure to invite Dr. Aruna ma'am to kindly step forward to receive the felicitation. May I request Dr. Banu Teja to do the honors? Thank you. May I now request Dr. Tripura Sundari ma'am to kindly step forward to receive the felicitation. May I request Dr. Anita and Dr. Anuradha ma'am to do the honors. Thank you, ma'am. May I now request Dr. Jhansi Rani ma'am to please step forward to receive the felicitation. I request Dr. Swapna to do the honors along with Dr. Anuradha ma'am. Thank you. May I now request Dr. N. Murli sir to kindly step forward to receive the honors. May I request Dr. Karthik Chowdhury, Cluster Head Business Development, Aster Ramesh Hospital, to do the honors. Thank you. May I now request Dr. Urimila ma'am to kindly step forward to receive the honors. To do the honors, I request Dr. Lavanya and Dr. Mamta ma'am. Thank you. May I now request Dr. Sujata ma'am to step forward to receive the felicitation. I request Dr. Apurva and Dr. Anuradha ma'am to do the honors. May I now call Dr. Janardani ma'am to step forward to receive the honors. To do the honors, I request Dr. Tanveer, Dr. Mahesh. Thank you. May I now request Dr. Leela ma'am to kindly step forward to receive the felicitation. To do the honors, I request Dr. Vasanta and Dr. Jyoti Prakash. Thank you. It gives me pleasure to invite Dr. Meera Raghav ma'am to kindly step forward to receive the felicitation. I request Dr. Deepa and Dr. Vasanta and Mamta ma'am to do the honors.